Right, hi everyone. I thought I'd do a quick screencast today as a way of just catching up with you all. So we're now well into section 3, the dialysis section. So I hope you're all finding it useful. There is the dialysis discussion board forum in there with regard to the dialysis video. To access this, if you go to the left-hand toolbar where it says discussion board, you can click on there and click on dialysis video discussion, and it takes you straight through to the discussion. Now there's a number of you that have already participated in this, so many thanks for your posts, but for the rest of you that haven't as yet, make sure that you do participate, please. So to get going with it, you need to click on dialysis video discussion, and you can have a read of what everybody else has put so far. And then to post your own posts, if you just click on the reply button that you can see there that is on my original posting made about 8 days ago. Okay, so make sure you click on that. When you do, a box comes up for you to write in, click submit, and then your post will go up there. Okay, so make sure you all take part in that and keep the discussion going. Okay, so what else do we need to talk about? The Renal Communication Hub. Again, you can access that via the link at the side there. So if we just click on the Communication Hub there, and it should take you straight in. And this is where we can share various resources and stuff that we found that we thought might be interesting. You can bring up new conversation topics and continue with conversations. So if you find something interesting, you want to add a comment, and I would strongly encourage you all to do so. To do that, if you just see here, you can see there's an add a comment box on each of the posts. All you've got to do is click on that, little box comes up, write your message, click on post comment, and then there you go, that's it basically. So it's all pretty easy to do. So to add your own original posting, you use this box here, which you'll always find at the top. And so what you might want to do is, you found a useful article or a web page or something, then you think, actually I want to share that with everybody. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So let's just quickly get up an article. So here we've got one, look, patient information too high for patient literacy. Some new research saying that actually we need to make sure that any literature that we do produce for patients is of a much lower reading age than what we're perhaps already doing. So if you click on that, so what you need to do is in the address bar at the top here, click on that to highlight it, and then right click with your mouse and click on copy. So you're copying that web address. Okay, so then we can go back to the Communication Hub, and if we click on the little thing here that says link, so the 2 chain links there, and then right click in that chain link box and click on paste, and that will paste in the address that you've just copied, and you can see there it comes up with a nice little picture and then the title of whatever it was you've copied. Okay, so you can add a little comment, sorry, can't get my words there, add a little comment like I've done there. Okay, and then all you need to do is click on share. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'll just add it again. Do you agree? And then click on share, and that will then appear on the page itself. Okay, and that's what you need to do. So everybody, you need to make sure that you use this. You will actually have access to this after the course is finished, so it's important that you do actually get involved and use this, and you can use it as a means of keeping up to date as well. Okay, so a few of you have been using the reflective journal, so well done. A lot of what you've done on there is really good. Remember that when you're doing your reflections, that it's about looking at what your goals are, and you're reflecting on what are you doing to actually meet those goals, and then what impact has that actually had on the patient care that you deliver. Okay, and so these are the sorts of things you're reflecting on, and what I'm actually expecting is not just 1 or 2 posts per goal, but several, to show that you've developed your knowledge and then talked about how this has influenced your practice and what sort of impact that's had on patient care. Okay, any problems with your reflective journal, please again get in touch. So just a final reminder to you all, that you do need to complete 80% of the activities that are featured on the online materials. There's some of you that are sort of getting a bit behind with this, so if you don't complete 80%, I won't be marking your assignments at the end of the module when you hand them in. Okay, so it's really important that you do participate and make the most of everything that's on here. If you are having any problems with participation, then please get in touch so we can do something about it. Okay. So my final word then really is, don't forget about the transplant discussion that's happening on the 12th of June. Anybody that can't make it, please get in touch, but hopefully most of you will be there, so it would be great to see you all. And if you've got any problems, please get in touch. Don't suffer there in silence. Make sure that you get in touch so we can help sort out any problems you've got. Okay, so thanks very much. Hope you're all well.